Who's your favorite superhero?
Spider-Man.
Ah, why?
Because he's hot.
What's up, everyone? If you don't know, I'm Erin. I just love a good gloss. So much better. Anyhow, in this video I'm going to show you a little montage of what my experience at Comic-Con San Diego was. So yeah. It is basically the largest comic convention in the world, I guess. There's lots of booths and lots of things to do and see, and there's lots of anime, but there's also like sci-fi stuff like Star Wars, and then they also have like all the comic classics like the superheroes of Marvel and DC and all that stuff. Art that they sell, and like sometimes it's like those little Funko Pop things. They have like clothes, comics, they have like a lot of new games, they have some panels, a lot of autograph opportunities, picture opportunities, but it's really limited. Just a whole bunch of things, which was legitness. This is my first time ever going into the convention center. Last year was the first time I ever went to that Comic-Con in general, as in like outside of it. And I went with my boyfriend and my dad, which was a little weird, but at the same time really cool, because on the outside they have all these like sections and stuff like that of activities that you can do. So they had like a Walking Dead quarters, they had like this Hulu laser tag thing. It was just a lot of free things that even if you don't have a ticket, you can still do those things outside. We even got like free lunch just for taking a picture. It looked like one scene from Game of Thrones, and you know me, I freaking tried to be Daenerys and took a picture in her set with her dragons, and next thing you know I got free lunch, so it was lit. This year was the first time going into the convention center, like I said before. There were, again, a lot of things to see. There's like like I opened up the map and it was like 4 pages long of little tiny booths, and there was like 1,000 of them. What was I saying? It's really hot in San Diego, like humid hot, like extremely hot. So it was nice to be in the AC, and yeah, everyone inside has more access to different things, especially the panels. If you do want to see like movie panels or like production panels and stuff like that, like a panel for Big Bang, or all like the ones that you see on TV where they have like the Avengers cast talking about like the movies coming up or whatever, and then like they show like an exclusive sneak peek of the trailers. Those are really hard to get into, especially because like there's some people who wait overnight to get into those halls to watch those panels, and there's like hella people, so you're gonna be probably in the back if anything, and you're gonna miss out on the rest of the things. And then you can also see some stars every now and then. Like we saw Vision and Mantis this year, like the actors obviously, and they were at the Marvel booth within the convention center, and they're doing like autographs and stuff like that. Other than that, there were a couple of cons that I would say about Comic-Con, and mainly is the crowds. If I thought outside was crowded because it was like a big party outside on the streets and stuff, the inside was like way crowded. You could not move. There was a lot of walkways that were super like this. I can't even explain it. Like you were all on top of each other. People are rude sometimes. There's just a lot of people who will like shove you. I felt like I had given up on the first day, and like I was like a pinball being like hit from side to side off of all these people just to get from one end to the other. Not even one end to the other, just to cross one booth. Another con for me was like all the waiting and all the lines. So you would basically get in a line to go wait for another line in order to do something very minimal, like add your email, and then you get like a freebie. Also, because of like the limited space within the convention center, they'll cap the line, so you have to wait until the line is uncapped in order to wait in the line. Do you understand what it's? It's like really weird. Obviously, I didn't get to wait in any lines because it kept getting capped. So all the freebies that were inside, I got none. If anything, I got more freebies last year being outside because I got like an action figure. I got free lunch. Like, that was my favorite part, was the free lunch. So we got a lot of stuff last year compared to this year. It's mainly just the crowds and the waiting. Lots of waiting and lots of lines. And you don't even know where they start and begin. Like, what? Personally for me, I didn't buy anything this year or last year because as much as I appreciate art and collectibles, I have no room for them. Like, if you went to look at my room, you'd be like, what the heck, Erin, why do you have so much crap? It's because I just have so much crap. So like, where would I put any new things? If anything, like all those things are my mom. My mom has just like loads of stuff, and she actually puts them up somewhere. So for her, it's more worth it because she's an artist herself and she just likes to collect a lot of stuff, and that's just who she is. That's what she likes. So I mainly go for her. But also it's just fun to look at stuff. Honestly, I wouldn't go again because I didn't like the waiting, the endless waiting, and I just have no use for anything yet. Also, I'm just broke. The thing that I would do, like, I would go back to San Diego during Comic-Con and just do the outside stuff because it's free. Why not? I would recommend it to all those who are really big fans of sci-fi shows and art and collectibles. Like, I'm pretty sure I've said this so many times, but yeah, it's mainly for that. And if you like enjoy cosplay to another level, like that's something else. If you don't like crowds, if you don't like, you're gonna be on your feet like all day, like straight up. And if you don't like that, that's probably not for you. I mean, once would be great just to experience it, but $200 a ticket to kind of just shop some more and wait in a lot of lines, it's just not for me. Anyhow, I will show you my montage of my experience this year. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Woo! I don't know why I did this. A picture. You can go on the Millennial Falcon. Breath of the Wild. I don't really know what this is, but that's cool. His favorite show, apparently. Sailor Moon. Yikes.
This. Oh my gosh.
My precious. My precious. You look like it.
think so, do I? Yeah, you do.
Nick. They're gonna I wanna touch it. Touch it.
Only
Mom.
the word.
I dare you to touch it. It says do not touch. I dare you to touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Come on, touch it. Oh!
Yikes. Back here again at dead quarters.
Oh my god!